Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do today is we're going to work on filling out a summary chart. Now, a summary chart is helpful because what it does is it lets you take the most important information from the story and put it in your own words and shorten it so I could give you a very quick rundown of what's going on in the story. The summary chart has those story elements that we talked about, things like characters, as well as the plot. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at this right here. First thing we got to do is we got to go ahead and take a look at the questions over here, starting out with this first one. Who are the main characters? Let's just say if I took the story Little Red Riding Hood. Well, who would the main characters be? Well, we have one main character, and we're going to go ahead and put that as Little Red Riding Hood. That's my main character. Now, this next question, below it asks, what does the main character want most of all? Well, if you know the story of Little Red Riding Hood, she wants to take food to her, we'll put Gma, for Grandma. She wants to take food to her Grandma. And if we take a look, what keeps her or him from getting it? What is it that stops? What is the problem that Little Red Riding Hood faces? What keeps her from getting it? Well, we know very well the big bad wolf. We know he eats her. So the next question is it says, how does she or he overcome and get it, meaning get what is it that she wants? How does she able to get that food to her grandma? Well, we know that the woodsman saves her. And we know that the woodsman saves her and that the grandma's okay and everything's fine. So the last question is how does the main character feel at the end? Well, we know that she feels happy to be with Grandma. Alright, so then if we went ahead and took this entire summary chart, and we wrote it down, this is what it would sound like. Little Red Riding Hood, starting out with Little Red Riding Hood, let's say takes food to her grandma. We'll put the word but, the big bad wolf eats her. Then the woodsman saves her. Finally, she feels happy to be with Grandma. And that's an example of a good summary. Thank you for staying with me, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll talk to you later.